Well, I think for us, I think in general, I mean, we need to start preparing for market shift. We're definitely seeing more and more properties hitting MLS, and we're not getting as many multiple offers as we used to before. I mean, there's still certain homes that get those multiple offers, but for the most part, you're we're seeing that the houses stay on the market longer, and the rates are obviously doubled. And we as agents, we have to prepare. We have to set those expectations when it comes to our sellers. We have to be able to prepare them for the fact that they're not going to have multiple showings or multiple offers, and we got to do our part in learning the comps and making sure that we're not overpricing the listings, having conversations maybe on a bi-weekly basis on possibly reducing the price. So all of those things have to be really kind of now put in place, because before it was like, all right, I just list the property and most likely I'm going to get a bunch of offers on it and get it under contract within 24 to 48 hours. Boom, right?